Oh, ayan, may bago naman tayong mid-range phone na i-unbox at eto nga ang bagong Xiaomi Redmi 14C. Nung nakita ko to sa mall, sobrang na-excite akong itest to, kaya naman abangan nyo ang aking full review nito soon. So this is the box guys, may 8GB RAM na siya and 128GB room. Maganda dito is huge na rin yung kanyang screen na 6.88 inches IPS LCD na. At eto meron siyang free clear case, USB Type-C cable, ang kanyang 33-watt power brick. By the way, 5,160 mAh na rin yung battery nito at supported na siya ng 18-watt fast charging din. Yung operating system naman niya is Android 14 na with HyperOS. So look at the color and the design of this new Redmi 14C. Diba? Sobrang ganda at sobrang attractive niya. Dreamy purple color nila ito. Kaya abangan niyo ang aking full review. Ititest natin to lahat-lahat. Ito naman yung kanyang screen display. Kita dyan no, na yung kanyang camera is parang naka-notch design pa siya or water drop. Pero yung screen naman niya is smooth naman siya so